Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the room cleaning sequence on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. In order to change the room cleaning sequence, you will need to tap on the Edit Map button, then select Sequence. That will change in which order the rooms will be cleaned, and you can do Smart. Then it'll automatically do that, automatically assign the numbers, but you can also tap on Manual Edit and change it yourself. Let's say I always want to clean the kitchen first, then the living room, as you can see right here. And now whenever I select Full House Cleaning, then it will first do the kitchen, then the living room. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.